Octavia Spencer, Jim Carrey, Katie Holmes, Diane Keaton, Eva Longoria, Jamie Lee Curtis, Henry Golding, Olivia Wilde, Chadwick Boseman, and Charlize Theron was last here for Mad Max. Now she's entering the mad world of politics with Seth Rogen for Long Shot. And Taron Egerton talked to us last year about Robin Hood. This year, he becomes the Rocket Man playing Elton John. And it looks like Keanu Reeves will return with his new John Wick 3 co-star, Halle Berry. Plus, it wouldn't be a Cinemacon without one of our favorites, of course, The Rock, who's got several films to promote, from Hobbs and Shaw to Jumanji 2.